Everyone, it's Emma Dalkey. I'm here with Bradley Darnell, Corporate Executive Chef at Kohl Wholesale. Tell us a little bit about what we're making today.
We're gonna make a nice classic Reuben sandwich made with a Russian dressing today.
Ooh, and why are we making Reubens?
Well, St. Patty's Day is right around the corner, so a lot of people use corned beef, and what's left over from the corned beef and cabbage you can also turn into a sandwich. So we're gonna talk a little bit about the two different breads we're gonna use today, so I'm looking forward to making a nice little dish.
Okay, chips and sandwich. Sounds good.
Sounds great to me. Instead of using a marble rye, this time we're going to use Borodensky, which consists of rye malt, coriander, and molasses. Gives it kind of a sweet, malty flavor. Plus, the bread is a little bit thicker, so it can hold some sauces. So once you get them toasted, we're going to take this off. We're going to add a little bit of our corned beef. We're going to put a slice of cheese on there, and the best way to melt that is we'll take some of this juice from the roast to kind of melt that. Now you can use sliced deli corned beef, you can use pucks, you can use whatever you'd like. But this, what we did was we used a part of the roast that we had left over from like a corned beef and cabbage, so we wanted to turn this into another dish. So once you get that all nice and melted, we're going to transfer this right to the sandwich. We're going to top it with some nice crispy cold sauerkraut. I like to keep this cold. It gives it more texture, more bite, more crunch. And lastly but not least, we can also use either a traditional Thousand Island, or what I like to do to kind of upscale your sandwich a little bit is a Russian dressing, which has got chili sauce, mayonnaise, Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, and horseradish. It kind of brings a little spice to it. So we have all that here in the bowl that we have mixed up. And once you mix it up, you can put it into a squirt bottle or however you want. And just go ahead and put plenty on there. You can never have enough sauce, right? Now, when slicing this, I would suggest using a regular bread knife, a serrated bread knife, and just let the weight of the knife do the work for you. That way you're not smashing your sandwich all the way down. And then we'll transfer it right to the plate. Now that looks good, doesn't it?
That looks pretty quick and easy.
It was a very quick dish to make. It took, what, 2.5, 3 minutes to make. So
Yeah, and you can make that for your whole family. And you did chips as a side, but you don't have to do chips. You can do...
No, you can do any kind of fried food. You can do French fries. You can do mushrooms, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to put on the menu that day.
That would be good. And if I'm looking for the recipe, where can I get it?
You can find it right here at the Kohl Wholesale Cash and Carry Showroom.
That sounds good.
All right.
See you soon.
See you next time.